Hi, my name is Alexis Torres Santiago and I'm an undergraduate researcher, part of the REU PR Climb program at the University of Puerto Rico. I'm currently working with Dr. Eduardo Nicolau. We are basically developing water filtration membranes. Now, you may be wondering, what are membranes? Membranes are sort of like a filter. They let water flow through and block certain contaminants such as bacteria. Now, the special thing about membranes is that they do not need any sort of external power. That is very, very good because that means that we do not need any sort of electricity to run that. This is also great because we need to start looking for environmentally friendlier alternatives for our problems. So my letter is the letter I for intelligence. Now, everyone is intelligent in their own right, but that is not all that you require. A lot of our scientists also have great work ethic. So if you work hard, you can do anything in life. So have a wonderful National Chemistry Week and have a great day.
Hello everybody, my name is Alexandra Paris Santiago and I am currently an undergraduate chemistry student at the University of Puerto Rico, participating in the PR Climb research experience for undergraduates. This program allows me to work under the mentorship of Dr. Luis Lopez Mejias at the Crystallization Design Institute, where I work creating drug delivery systems employing nanoparticles for the treatment of cancer. As we all know, the incidence of cancer has been increasing over the past few years, and the therapies used to treat it are very harsh since they attack all kinds of cells, including the healthy ones, which is what causes the side effects that we know. By employing a drug delivery system, we can provide many benefits, including potentiating the therapeutic effect of the drugs used. I work using risendronate, which is a bone resorption inhibitor with anti-tumor effects, such as inducing tumor cell apoptosis or death. In theory, it kills the tumor cells. However, the doses required are very, very high to see any significant results. Therefore, what we do is that we coordinate this compound with different bioactive metals to create a series of complexes that present a defined crystalline structure and in turn have a better stability and enhanced properties. The synthesis of these complexes can also be confined in a nanorange space, which is ideal for the type of the delivery system that we aim to develop. Therefore, by employing these metal complexes combined with the nanoparticles as a drug delivery system, we present promising advantages as nanotechnology for cancer therapy. Lastly, I want to finish off by spelling out the letter N, which stands for novelty, a quality that all of us scientists strive for in our research in hopes of making an impact on the world and finding solutions to everyday problems.
My name is Alexis Morales, and I'm from the University of Puerto Rico at Humacao, and I'm working with Dr. Mina Rivera trying to synthesize new compounds in the search of a new drug that can be used as an anti-inflammatory or anti-cancer treatment. We are trying to do this synthesizing a family of compounds known as chalcones. Chalcones have two types of starting materials. One of them is an aldehyde and a ketone. And combining them in many different ways, we can have an infinite number of compounds that can be studied. We hope that one of our compounds that we synthesize in our lab has a potential to become a treatment for this disease and in the future used as a treatment. My letter is the letter C. C for confidence. Confidence in your decisions, confidence in yourself, and confidence in your will to make the world a better place.
Hi, my name is Angelica Fabiola Figueroa. I am a fourth-year chemistry student at the University of Puerto Rico, Rio Piedras campus, and I am currently part of the Crystallization Design Institute research group. My research tries to find new drug delivery systems to treat osteolytic metastasis. This is more common in breast cancer patients. As a scientific woman, I want to promote the leadership in young girls, and I want to encourage them to enter the scientific world with the intention of solving their community problems, improving their lifestyles, and continue to inspire others to do the same.
Hey everyone, my name is Ana Sofia Santiago Ruse, and this semester I'm both a PR climber and an undergraduate biomedical researcher at the University of Puerto Rico at Mayagüez. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my ongoing research project, which is titled Determining the Thermal Properties of both amyloid fibril aggregates, fibrils, and spherulites. Amyloidosis, which is an umbrella term for all of the diseases caused by amyloid fibrils, has been directly associated with many degenerative disorders like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and previous research has shown that in the presence of hydrogen sulfide, some of these amyloid proteins do not fibrillate. However, they form into another form of structure called spherulites. Nothing is known about the changes in concentrations of hydrogen sulfide affecting the stability and or the structure of those mentioned aggregates. So because of that, we aim to describe and define the application of the differential scanning calorimetry technique for the examination of protein amyloids on fibrils and spherulites. The thermal behaviors of both of these samples will provide us information on the physics from a thermal standpoint of the protein during its conversion from an well-organized and functioning biological structure into amyloid fibrils and amyloid spherulites. I got the letter U, and I think one of the most important words starting with the letter U, specifically in science and in research, is uniqueness, because even though we have different and diverse opinions in a scientific circle, those diverse opinions can bring into the table unique perspectives. I think that's the most important thing about diversity, the uniqueness of everyone involved.
Hi, my name is Eric Gibson, and I'm currently on my 4th year of my bachelor's degree in chemistry at UPR Piedras campus. I'm also part of the REU Climb program, and I'm currently doing research with Dr. Jose Rivera. Our lab works with the synthesis and characterization of supramolecular particles. These supramolecules have the ability to encapsulate small molecules, proteins, plasmid DNA, among others. And the goal of our project is to modify these supramolecules in such a way that they become effective drug delivery systems. And by this, I mean that the supramolecule would act as a mailman. The drug that needs to be transported would be the mail, and the diseased site would be your house. This way, the supramolecules would carry the drug to the diseased site instead of the drug freely interacting with everything in its path. This is of great interest in various biomedical applications due to its potential. The letter that was assigned to me was S for strength, which we all need to face the difficulties that we encounter every day.
My name is Elena Hernandez. I'm a senior student from the University of Puerto Rico at Calle, and my research in computational chemistry is about the prediction of colloidal attributes based on the DFT, or density functional theory, calculated molecular physical properties. The oxyguanosine derivatives are supramolecules that have a colloidal-like behavior. When they are exposed to heat and some salts, they form nanoglobular entities. These nanoglobular complexes can be used as a drug delivery system. However, these supramolecules can fail to have the colloidal-like behavior. So that is why the goal of my project is to develop a computational method that predicts the formation of these nanoglobular entities, allowing the design of new molecules. Now I want to talk about inclusivity. I have the letter I for initiative, and my dream is to be part of a scientific community that is inclusive and everyone is considered an equal. And I hope to be part of the initiative of creating that path for the upcoming generation.
Hello, my name is Naomi Romagarocho. I am a student in the University of Puerto Rico, Mayagüez campus. I am doing my bachelor's degree in the most fascinating science of all, which is chemistry, because I love chemistry. I was selected as one of the 11 students to participate in the REU program of the University of Puerto Rico, Rio Piedras campus. This program seeks to educate and guide students that are studying fields related to science, and it seeks to provide them with a pleasant research experience. Currently, I am doing research at Dr. Enrique Menendez Metalocin Research Laboratory. Our research seeks to help beneficial women and men who are suffering from breast cancer. It is based in modifying estrogen, a hormone that is involved in the proliferation of cancer cells. We are using a compound with fascinating anti-cancer and anti-tumor properties, which is called ferrocene, to modify this estrogen. The purpose of this research is to design a ferrocene hormone complex that can successfully target estrogen receptors that are overexpressed in breast cancer. My letter is V for vitality.
Hola, no se han tímidos, pasen por acá. Mi nombre es Christopher, actualmente me encuentro trabajando con el Dr. Tinoco en la Universidad de Puerto Rico en Río Piedras con la síntesis o diseño de nuevas drogas a base de titanio para estudiar sus posibles aplicaciones para el tratamiento del cáncer. Para que entiendan un poquito, las células requieren del hierro para realizar una diversidad de procesos biológicos, incluyendo la replicación del ADN. En este caso, nosotros razonamos que si al disminuir los niveles de hierro funcional en estas células, podríamos entonces reducir su proliferación, es decir, podríamos disminuir su crecimiento y por lo tanto retrasar el crecimiento de los tumores. Específicamente, el diseño de nuestra droga comienza con el enlace químico entre dos compuestos que actualmente se conocen, tienen la actividad de unirse al hierro. Este conjugado entonces formado por estas dos drogas se combina con el titanio para dar lugar a nuestro compuesto de interés. Una vez se obtiene nuestro compuesto, vamos para las pruebas celulares, donde se hipotetiza que dentro de la célula de cáncer ocurre un intercambio entre el titanio y el hierro, lo que ocasiona una disminución drástica en los niveles de hierro, mientras que los niveles de titanio dentro de la célula aumentan. En conclusión, esta deficiencia en hierro y el aumento en la concentración de titanio, el cual tiene propiedades tóxicas, se traduce en la inhabilidad de las células de cáncer para poder sobrevivir y reproducirse. Es por esto que mi letra es la I, la cual representa lo indispensable que es la ciencia para el fomento de la salud y el bienestar de la sociedad.
Hi, my name is Gustavo Delis Torres, and I am a fifth-year chemistry student at the University of Puerto Rico, Rio Piedras campus. I am currently doing research under the guidance of Dr. Liz Diaz. At the lab, we are studying how nanoparticles could have an effect on our environment and how they behave in ecosystems. Now, I would like to talk to you about the T in inclusivity. T stands for teamwork. Good teamwork is essential for an inclusive environment. Everybody has a unique experience, and true inclusivity happens when everyone's voice is heard. Teamwork in science is essential for new discoveries, so just imagine the possibilities when everyone is given a chance to be part of the team.
Hi, my name is Andrea Mazer. I'm a 22-year-old undergrad at the University of Puerto Rico, Rio Piedras campus. I study chemistry, and I'm a scientist working on developing drugs to fight cancer. Cancer cells need important metals, like iron and copper, in order to survive and spread through the body. My lab is exploring ways to limit cancer's access to these metals. By doing this, the cancer will have a hard time moving to other parts of the body, and the cells would even die without these metals. If you combine this with other cancer drugs, we could see more effective cancer treatment. This type of research is so important because it could help us save the lives of cancer patients all around the world. In inclusivity, Y stands for you, because there's only one you, and you can bring so much to the field of scientific research. You have a real impact on the world and can help make it a better place. You can bring a diversity of thought that no one else can. You are important and one of a kind, so don't be afraid to show that. We in the scientific field believe in you and all you have to offer.